Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, we're here again with another Boxycharm unboxing, and this is the Luxe box. So if you want to see what I got in my box for June, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So I don't want to watch the prices. It's just Boxycharm. Okay, it says the Summer Luxe 2022 box, and we're just gonna put the price over here. So our first product is from Day, I think, yes, DAE, and it's a cactus flower leave-in condition. It revitalizes, calm-free, softens, and hydrates, protects hair from breakage. This smells good. This smells good. Well, I'm gonna put some in my hand and see what we're gonna do. Oh, feel nice and soft. Nice and soft. Okay. Now that I mess up my whole hands. Our other product is from Keys Soulcare, which I think it is Alicia Keys makeup line, and this is a Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. Actually, let me clean my hands real quick. Yeah, let's jump into this. So this is a serum, and it is only beauty standard is your own. I think they say you can wear this under your makeup, so we're gonna go ahead and put that on today. Oh, there's definitely some shine. Now I'm shining. Feels good. That is some serious glow. Look at this. Our next product is from NARS, and it's the lipstick, and it's an Impulse Satin, and this one is $29.29, and it looks like so. I think it's like a burgundy color. Which looks like so. Ooh, this might actually match my look that I'm gonna do today. Oh, we have another makeup item, and that is from Tarte, and it is a lip shine. I've been doing like lip shines and lip oils recently, and I've been liking it. Oh my god, I look hella dewy. It feels so good, so good. Now I look like shine over top of shine. Our other product is this, and this is actually from a company called UV, and these are sponges, and it says free to be you, and it comes with 3 small ones and then 1 big one. This feels really squishy. I think I'm gonna wet it and then use it so you guys can see how that's, you know, if it expands nicely. Our other product is gonna be from Dew of the Gods. It's from Dew, but this is a mask. It's a collagen whipped vitamin mask, and it's for that bright and bouncy skin, I guess. That I cannot test, but you know, I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna force my husband to do a mask. Our other product is from Elements, and then it's a clarifying clay wash, and it's a skin clearing facial wash, yeah, for blemish prone skin. So yeah, this is pretty exciting. I'm thirsty. And our final item, oh, this is from Beauty Bakery. This is so cute, and it is Cotton Candy Champagne. It's a brush highlighter palette, and she looks like so. And then let's see. So here is she. That looks kind of like I don't know, man, if this is gonna like. So this is like right here, you can barely see this. So, and then this is, I guess, the blush. Okay, so the blush you can definitely see, but they both have like a shine to it. So yeah, so I'll test that out today as well. So we have no eyeshadow palettes, but it's fine. I'll just, you know, use something that I already have. So we're gonna jump into this palette. This is Peaches from Makeup by Yolondo, and we're just gonna go. I'm gonna use just 2 eyeshadow shades, guys, so you know, just let you guys know how you can just do like a quick look. So I'm gonna use this shade, and then I'm gonna put some shimmer over top, and we're gonna use T36 from Makeup Shack. Like so. And I'm gonna go into my glitter glue if I can find it. This look is like gonna be so quick and so easy, guys. Like so easy. I'm just gonna take like a an eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna tap the glitter glue like right here on my lid. Because you want something to, you know, be able for that glitter to stick. And then I'm gonna take, this is the T52, and we're gonna go into that shimmer, or more like glitter. Okay, so that's it for these eyes. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and as I said earlier in my video, or in my intro, I know this eye look is crazy, but we are gonna talk about this Armani foundation. I have 2 shades because I think I kind of had to mix them, but we're good. I did prep my skin with my serum from because this you can use it as a primer and a serum, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe I put a little bit of blurring from Tarte, like right here. Yeah, I feel like that looks a little bit better, you know. I'm trying to find, let me use this brush. Is that the one that's broken? Maybe. This is from e.l.f. actually. It's the buffing foundation brush. Let's see. Again, I feel like I mixed this. And if you're kind of around my shade, this is, or if you, this is 8.5. Oh, actually, let's do one side with a brush. I do have a sponge I want to test out. Okay, and then on my other side, I'm gonna do a sponge, and I actually got this sponge from my Boxycharm, so we're gonna test her out. See, that's why I don't like to do sponges, because I feel like sponges just kind of suck. Like, look at this. I feel like I don't have any. This sponge feels really good though, like it's real bouncy. But I don't know. Like, I feel like I got more of a coverage here than I got over here. Cause over here I can still see, you know, my imperfection. And don't come for me, we all have them. We all have, you know, imperfections. Some people more than others, but I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with a pump on this side. The sponge feels so good though. So good. It is nice and bouncy. But usually I don't like to use sponges because I feel like it soaks a lot of the product, and for $65, like, yeah, I don't know about that. But the sponge feels great. This is good. This sponge is really good. But again, I use brush on this side, so I'm gonna go back with my brush and then put a little bit more. I just feel like I'm getting a little bit more coverage, guys, with the brush, and that's why I tend to stay with a brush to apply my foundation, because I feel like it doesn't suck it. So I'm gonna use my Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I haven't used this in a minute. And I'm gonna let this dry a little bit, because when you let it dry, guys, you get a little bit more coverage. And then I'm using my Curb from Black Opal. And I'm gonna use my E34 brush from Morphe to blend up my contour. So I'm gonna use this baby sponge that I also get in my Boxycharm to blend my concealer. See, I feel like this just suck up all my concealer. And this concealer is thick, but size wise I feel like it just fits like perfectly down here. And I usually just use my contour brush like right here to just kind of blend my concealer into my contour, like so. See how it just looks like nice and natural, right? I know it's not natural. This is looking good, and this is dewy. I feel like I am shining to the gods, but I love it. So let's go ahead and set. I don't have a setting powder in my Boxycharm, so I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever, which I know works. But why is my brush strap just like curl up like this? Some of the issue is I am losing some weight, and most of my brows right now are too big, but I refuse to buy any more brows till I get to my desired weight, because brows are expensive. Now I'm gonna go into my OPV, and I'm gonna take my sponge that I use, and I'm just gonna top it. This is nice, no roach. Isn't that like something that Tiffany Haddish says? No roaches or anything.
Ooh, this is nice, girl. This all this is you right here? Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing.
I know, like all of a sudden my face looks like super dry, right? Like let's spray her with some fresh spray, like just. I was liking the dew. I'm gonna jump into that blush palette that I got in my Boxycharm, and let's test out the baby out. Why not? So we're gonna go into this palette. It's called the Cotton Candy Champagne palette. It's a blush lighter palette, and we're gonna go into this shade right here. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna bronze first. I'm gonna use this. This is Ipania Sun or something from Becca. I'm gonna use that to bronze, and I'm gonna use this, which is my Alleyoop brush. I'm just now we're gonna jump into Miss Toasting to the Sweet Life, and we're gonna go into this shade. This is called 24-hour Champagne Diet. I'm gonna go into this shade, which says Sip Sip Hooray, and just put it like just on the higher part of my cheekbones. Okay, I'm gonna use that lipstick that I get in my Boxycharm, and this is from NARS, and it's the Impulse. shade. Yeah, Impulse. This is it's a satin finish, I guess. So I feel like I have to go in quite a few times with this. Which I don't like. So I'm just gonna go and put this right here, which is a dark shade that I put before I put the glitter down. Okay, so everything looks nice. Let's go for the products real quick. So let me go through what I got in my Boxycharm this month. So the first product on here is from Beauty Bakery, which is, I actually really like that. It's kind of glowy, so if you don't like everything glowy, maybe you might not like it, but it's Toast to Good Times and Major Sweet Chicks with 4 rose flush shades, and that is $38. The other product on there is Dew of Gods, which is the vitamin mask, and it's vitamin cocktail. Anyone? That's the question that they're asking, and then that is $42. The other product is from NARS, which is the lipstick. I don't like that lipstick because I feel like, and that lipstick is $26, and I feel like that lipstick won't last very long because you're gonna be applying like a ton because it's patchy. Yeah. And the other product is from e.l.f, and that is the clay wash, and that is $49. That is expensive, and it is deeply cleanse pores and reduce the look of blemishes. I don't know, I'm gonna have to test that, we will see. Okay, and we're gonna jump into that. The Glow Illuminating Primer, I actually really like that. If you don't like really dewy skin, that might not be the one for you, but that is $26. And then we're gonna jump into that gloss. I actually really like that gloss. I've been liking like lip oils and glosses lately, and it's a universal flattering high shine gloss, and that is $22 from Patrick Tar. And we're gonna jump into the leave-in condition. Actually, I put it in my hair, on my wig, and it actually made it feel like really soft, so that is lovely. I'm gonna be using that, and that was $26. My next product was on my final product, which was the sponges. So I got 3 small sponges and 3 large sponges. I really like the sponges. My only issue is I don't really use sponges a lot to apply my products like that because I feel like it kind of sucks like a lot of the product up, and that is $65. So my total box is $294. I think I paid $50 for that box. So yeah, so it's like, I don't know, I'm still kind of like on the fence with Boxycharm. Like, it's a hit and miss. Sometimes I get, like this month I didn't get a palette, like a eyeshadow palette, but I did get a blush palette. So it's kind of like, you know, again, hit and miss. Sometimes you get something good and sometimes you don't. So take that with your, you know, grain of salt and make that decision for yourself. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. You know, that's my June Lux box unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video.
How much you're missing